Variant Standard Clairol Root Touch-Up by Nice and Easy Review Script ID 55123. Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever glanced in the mirror and noticed those stubborn roots peeking through or a few gray strands creeping in, you know that little moment of panic. Today, we're checking out a solution that promises to save time and keep your hair looking fresh between salon visits. Clairol Root Touch-Up by Nice and Easy in 6.5G lightest golden brown. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a beauty tip that can make your routine easier. This root touch-up is designed to cover your roots and gray hairs in just 10 minutes, claiming up to 3 weeks of natural-looking coverage. The kit comes with everything you need: permanent color cream, activator, a salon-inspired brush and bowl, gloves, and a detailed instruction leaflet. It also uses color blend technology to seamlessly match your existing color and blend any regrowth evenly from root to tip, making it feel like a professional touch-up at home. I've been testing this for a couple of weeks, focusing on ease of use and the final look. The first thing I noticed was how simple the kit is to work with. The brush and bowl make the application much more precise than older touch-up kits I've tried. The cream spreads smoothly, the texture is neither too runny nor too thick, and it didn't drip or stain my scalp when applied carefully. After the recommended 10 minutes, the results were impressive. Roots and grays were completely covered, and the color matched my existing shade beautifully. It really does give that salon-quality finish without a trip out, which is a major time saver for busy mornings. Now, for the pros, the kit is compact and includes everything you need. The color blend technology genuinely helps the color integrate seamlessly, and application is straightforward even for someone doing it on their own. The color looks natural, the gray coverage is complete, and the short processing time is perfect if you're in a rush. On the flip side, the cons are minimal but worth noting. Like most permanent dyes, you need to follow instructions carefully to avoid uneven application. Also, if you're used to professional salon-grade products, the fragrance can be slightly stronger than expected. In terms of value for money, this kit hits the mark. It's competitively priced compared to salon visits, and given the convenience and quality of results, it feels like a worthwhile investment. While there are cheaper touch-up sprays and semi-permanent options, none provide the same lasting coverage or natural blend from root to tip that this permanent formula offers. The build quality is solid, the packaging is durable, and the included tools feel professional. The gloves are thick enough to protect your hands, and the brush and bowl are designed to give you control during application. I didn't notice any issues with longevity. The color maintained its vibrancy over several washes, consistent with the brand's claim of up to 3 weeks coverage. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Clairol's customer support has a solid reputation for assisting with inquiries, and the instructions are clear enough that I didn't need to contact them directly. There haven't been recent updates to the formula or packaging, so the product performs as described. If you're considering alternatives, some at-home kits like L'Oreal or Garnier offer similar permanent coverage, but in my experience, the color blend technology in Clairol's Root Touch-Up really does give a smoother, more professional finish. For those on a tighter budget, temporary root touch-up sprays exist, but they won't last or blend as naturally. Overall, Clairol Root Touch-Up by Nice and Easy delivers exactly what it promises: full gray coverage, natural color blending, and fast, user-friendly application. It's perfect for anyone who wants a quick at-home solution to maintain salon-perfect hair in between visits. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your experience. The link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.